how to pull in other people's video and audio into your podcast or live streaming show. Depending on your setup, if you're using OBS, this will seamlessly integrate with device, tablet, laptop, anything, and they can join your stream. If you've got your microphone set up similar to how I have, you can use it to create an MP3 podcasting file or a video or a live stream. It's really quite interesting to see. I've already done a few guides on this. Let's bring the feed. There is the feed of the mobile phone into OBS via my mobile phone via the browser. Let me show you a quick print screen of what it looks like, because you can create your own room, add to a camera to OBS. It's going to be video and audio, and I'll give you a breakdown of how to set it up and how you use it. So we've got to use our imagination. Let's think this phone is in America. So I have a friend in America. I want them to join my live stream. How does it work? I tell my friend to go onto OBS via a Chrome browser. Let's see if you can see this. So we go into here, OBS.Ninja, and this brings up a Google result for the browser. You click on the site. Now remember the 4 options we got on the browser, they will get these options. What you're going to tell them to do is not drop their phone. In America, they're going to click add your camera to OBS. It's going to say, do you want to allow this? Can you see that? It's probably too bright. You're basically saying allowing microphone and camera. We do allow. So now it will give you a source just like that and say which camera do you want, front facing or back facing. I'm going to say I want my front facing camera. Audio source is also picking up my microphone, which is excellent. So let's do start. Start has been achieved. Next, on the top, there's a little green icon. Well, not icon, but text. You click on the text and you copy it. Copied to clipboard. So that we need to send to our UK friend. So let's send that as a message to our UK friend. So now I'm in the UK and I've had a message from America. What is the message? They've sent me a link to add into OBS. So let's bring our OBS over here. And I'm going to add in my American friend. So if I do plus and then go to browser, and I'm going to call this America friend who is on his mobile phone. I want to add him into my OBS. And we're going to paste in here. Width is 1080 because he's in not landscape. 1920. Let's go OK. Let's make sure our there you see I have my American friend. Let me just go make OK. So will it capture the audio is the question. Let me see if I've included the audio. So if I go back, so make sure when you include the source America friend that here you do use control audio via OBS and do OK. So now yes you should hear 2 voices. But let me turn my okay, so this is my America friend. Hello United Kingdom, hello, how are you? And then I can turn that mobile phone mic off, turn my UK mic back on, and yes, American friend, hello. So basically I've used my, this is getting confusing, isn't it? The idea of the story is the mobile phone is connected wirelessly. I'm just plugged the charger in, so that's not plugged in. So I'm connected to America, which this phone would be in America if someone was there, but any country really, India, America, Philippines, anywhere. And I can use it in my OBS to chat with people. But if I didn't want to do it this way, I could use it as a webcam. Now I'm using a mobile phone wirelessly as a webcam. You want to see the feed? Let's bring the feed. There is the feed of the mobile phone into OBS via my mobile phone via the OBS browser. That's actually quite good, because now we're using it wirelessly with the audio if I needed to. So say for example I didn't have any other cameras. Let me bring you back to that screen. Okay, so let's get rid of this mic. Let's bring that full screen. Okay, right now I am using my mobile phone. If you look in the camera, I'm using my mobile phone as a wireless webcam, and the audio is coming from the phone. To support this video, I've got a link in the description to my mailing list. Make sure to sign up to that and you'll get an instant email with help sheets, guides and frequently asked questions which will help you get through this journey.